So good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon to the judges, the staff members and my student friends. So I have given Greece to speak about today. First, I'm not going so deep inside this. So now இப்போ வந்து நான் இந்த Greece பத்தி India பத்தி and particularly about Tamil Nadu when I was browsing about it, it was so similar towards it, and Greece is an European country and it is developed one. But still what Greece as Greece is being a tourist spot, so many philosophers came from there, and it is the main thing is about Greece is a tourist spot. So even though it is a developed country, what they are saying is we have to attain the sustainable development goals still. So compared to India, what all the things they have mentioned over here is environmental regulations. Greece is still focusing. Now you know the environmental, now you focus on. We have to concentrate more because so many tourist people are coming here. Then renewable energy. They are already doing so many renewing so many energies. But still, Greece has been investing in renewable energy. நிறைய இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணி இன்னும் நம்ம எவ்வளோ பண்ணலாம். So towards waste management, the India, the Tamil Nadu, whatever we are all doing, still they are doing it, even though they are being a developed country. So I didn't found any difference between these two countries, India and Greece. It's been so similar. India வந்து இங்க வந்து இப்போதான் நான் browse பண்ணேன். I have browsed this for Greece. The same is here in India and also for Madrid. So how could it? But suddenly there came a government project. What they said is India வந்து அந்த காலத்துல ஒரு வாய்க்கால் இருந்தது. So we were not aware of it. So we have taken all the and this land was brought and
about the house encroachment and about Vaikal and all. But anyway, we were not enjoyed the speech, but within that we found that there is a pain in her mind. So many of the people are acted like this. So how do we overcome those things only? On the basis of that only this is given by our sir.
இது என்னுடைய நிறுவனத்தினுடைய டைரி. ஆக்சுவலாக என்னோட கம்பெனி பேர் பிராண்ட் ஆட்டோமேஷன். நான் அந்த வருஷம் போடுற டைரி. அது வந்து ஒரு சரியான நபருக்கு போறதுல எனக்கு மகிழ்ச்சி. நல்ல ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி பயங்கரமா இருக்குங்க. பொது சேவைக்கு பொது வாழ்க்கைக்கு தகுதியான நல்லா
And from the